Now you've got your 6DCT450 valve body out, and you've cleaned your mechatronic plate, replaced your solenoids or demagnetized, flushed them, etc. One thing you can also do is, I've got this long copper pipe on my air hose there, and you actually blow through those. Very difficult to get to, but you can actually see them. I'll need a light, and if you can see that, just in through the mirror there, through the hole, it's all nice and clean. And then you move up one, and the position of those sensors, the bottom one is at 45 degrees down, and this one right up here, you've got to actually poke your finger through. This one up here, that one's 45 degrees up. I'll show you on the diagram, very hard to see here, not a lot of room. It's a good idea to just blow those off as well. If you've cleaned it properly, all that fine muck will just settle in the bottom eventually anyway, probably on the magnets there. That's what I'm talking about. You can see these sensors, they're just flat. This one here is at 45 degrees, sort of facing up. Flat. That one's flat. And the bottom one under there is 45 degrees down. And this is the ATSG manual there, and you can see what I'm talking about. You've got this one up here that's at 45 degrees sort of facing up, and the bottom one, sensors 45 facing down. And what I'm talking about is just, that's the angle that you need to blow the air at to sort of clean it off a little bit better. It's not ideal, but it's the best you can do while it's still in the vehicle. Anyway, I hope that helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave any comments in the section below. Thank you for watching.